Welcome! In front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor at the back of the watch right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing you will need to do is to press the upper button while you're on the watch face, the home screen. So press the upper button, it will open this menu, and now use the lower button to scroll down and select the heart rate option, and then press the middle button to enter. And now I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor, and once the watch detects my pulse, it should start measuring the heart rate automatically. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the results. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to exit. Then you can press upper button to select back button or back option and press the middle button to confirm. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.